The 2,600-kilometer long Afghanistan-Pakistan border is on fire at multiple locations from Torkham through Khurram, Angur and Spin Boldak. Afghan forces claimed they responded to unprovoked Pakistan Army artillery and drone attacks. Talibani forces crossed the border. They attacked multiple Pakistan Army locations, including border posts and camps. Taliban spokesperson actually put out a video of the Afghan forces returning with what he claimed was a Pakistan Army tank. He also said, and other reports seem to indicate that it's not just tanks, it's armored personnel carriers, trucks, arms and ammunition, and they claim prisoners of war. Pakistan claimed the unprovoked attack was from Afghanistan and Pakistan was only responding, which led to massive loss of life on the Afghan side. Pakistan has reportedly reached out both to Saudi Arabia and to Qatar seeking mediation and peace talks. We get you more in this report.
Flames of war are raging on the volatile Afghanistan-Pakistan border. The Taliban claim to have overrun a key Pakistani military post in Spin Boldak, confiscating weapons, seizing tanks and parading them as trophies. It all began at 4 a.m. Wednesday when Pakistani forces allegedly fired missiles at Afghan post. Within minutes, the Taliban retaliated. Eyewitnesses say a few Pakistani soldiers surrendered.
Pakistan should understand that we will never remain silent in defending our sacred values, the Islamic system and our national interests. If any aggressor attacks us, we will respond in a way that becomes an example for future history. This war is not a difficult struggle for Afghanistan. We have fought much longer distances and larger enemies and have defeated them. This is a relatively easy phase for us.
Disturbing visuals from Spin Boldak show bodies scattered across the battlefield. This war isn't new. It's rooted in a 130-year-old dispute over the Durand Line drawn in 1893 by the British. The line split Pashtun tribes across modern-day Pakistan and Afghanistan. Now Kabul wants it undone, reviving calls for a united Pashtunistan. Pakistan has called upon Qatar and Saudi Arabia to mediate with Afghanistan.
Pakistan asked Qatar and Saudi Arabia to act as mediators and urged the Afghan side to stop fighting. About an hour after the fighting began, Pakistani officials contacted Qatar and Saudi and requested mediation. For God's sake, to stop Afghans from fighting. This information from reliable sources and accepts full responsibility for this statement.
With history, land and identity on the line, the war for Pashtunistan may have just entered a new chapter. Bureau Report, India Today.